Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I've got a vintage number 103 Jorgensen C-clamp. I've had this for a while and I think it's just time to get some of this rust off, get some of this paint off here, and give it a new look. So yeah, it's got the butterfly handle here, or they call it mouse ears sometimes. It's got the little V-notch here for round stock, 3-inch capacity. So yeah, I will get started on that. We'll do some wire brushing and see if some of this paint comes off and rust comes off without me having to do any extra stuff. See you in a bit. Okay guys, I'm done with the wire brushing for the most part. There's a lot of areas I couldn't get into. I'm going to probably have to use my Dremel for that. The wire brush didn't do that great on this. I mean, especially on the back. It really wouldn't get this paint off, so I'm probably going to have to use some paint remover and then kind of go from there. But I'm going to use the wire brush on my Dremel. And I'll probably go back to the big wire brush again and go back over it once again. But for the most part, I'm going to use the Dremel for in these little crevices and stuff. So, see you later. Okay guys, the clamp's been sitting in the orange glop overnight. So let's see if any of that paint is going to come off. And it looks like it's coming off, so that's good. Let me get my other brush. Alright, now I was able to get most of that paint off there. And I wiped it down. And now I'm going to go ahead and use these abrasive discs in the Dremel and see what else we can do with it. Maybe shine it up a little bit more and then go from there. Okay guys, I'm pretty much done with sanding it with the 240. I think I'm going to go to the abrasive belt and see if we can clean up and get a little more shine on the edges here. I think I'm going to go ahead and I'll be painting the middle part here on both sides. Not sure what color yet, but we shall see. Guys, I am all done with the Jorgensen clamp, the number 103 here, and I went with black on this side, and I got a little crazy and tried some green. I don't really know how I feel about that green. It's a little bright, but I don't know, sometimes you gotta try something different. I got some these testers paints to try, so maybe I should have went with the blue. But anyhow, it looks better overall. And that's it. I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.